Hey guys, it's Yolanda Monique and I am here to do my unboxing of my Etsy bag in my Sephora box. They came really late this month, so sorry for the late unboxing, but I didn't get mine until today. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So because it's so late, let's just jump right into it. First is Etsy. I did take a peek, I'm not gonna lie. So make sure, okay. They started giving you the cards that tell you exactly what's in it. Really love that, and gives you more information versus going to the website. I really love that part. When I pulled the bag out, this was out. So I love getting brushes because it means I don't have to clean them as much often. I have a lot of brushes and I just feel like you can never have too many brushes. This is the Farrah brush. I love the little brush guard. I don't know what I did with all of mine, but I love the color. I've got a few wild strands, so hopefully once I wash it, it will take care of that. I've gotten, oh wait, this has got a lot of loose brushes. I don't know. I mean, seriously guys, this is a lot. I don't know if that just means I got a bad one or it just, they shed right up front, because some brushes will do that. Love the color. Pink is one of my favorite colors. The other ones that I got from them, I believe it was like a gold and a rose gold. But this is a powder brush. So the tip is, it starts off with a really light pink and then goes up to like a bright pink. So I'm loving this. I feel like brushes are my jam. Can't go wrong with that. And the brush guard, one more since I lost my others. So yes, it's starting off on the right foot. Then I see the bag. The bag is so Valentine's Day. I wish I had gotten this closer to Valentine's Day, but this is so cute. I love the little lips and just loving it. So inside, the first thing I pull out is a Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser, Deep Cleansing Treatment, Gentle Exfoliating. I am trying to get my skin where I want it to be, so anytime I get skincare products, I am like, yay, thumbs up, all for it. So definitely like that. The next thing is a Marc Anthony True Professional Strength Grow Long Anti-Breakage Mask. So this is for your hair. Right now, as you can see, my hair in braids, but when I take them out, I'm definitely going to need to pamper them a little bit. So I can see myself using this. Next thing in here is a Larzetti Cosmetics. I hope I said that right. And it says lip gloss. So I already know I'm not going to like this. I am just not a huge fan of lip gloss. I don't know what it is. I like matte lips, and I mean the color is gorgeous. I'm not going to open it because, again, I don't do lip glosses. And no matter how many times I say rarely give me lip glosses, I get lip gloss. So this would be the one bummer thing, but I mean it's a beautiful color, and it says that cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, made without parabens and phosphates. It's a mauve formula, goes on smooth, keeps lips hydrated, and doesn't feel sticky. Plus it looks fabulous. So I'm sure that it would look fabulous. I just don't do lip gloss. Last thing is a no pore problem priming water, and it's bergamot toning water in essential oils. And so this is it. This is real. It looks like it's going to be a pretty decent sample. 0.2 fluid ounces. And I'm trying to see if it has a scent. I don't smell roses, but let's see what it says. K-Beauty brand. I thought so. It's always ahead of the trends. Case in point, this innovative prime water that your skin will soak right up. It protects your skin, helps makeup last longer, and gives your skin a velvety smooth texture. Place 1 to 2 drops into your palm, rub your hands together, and then pat over your face before applying makeup. So I definitely am looking forward to trying this. So for Ipsy, I have only one thing that I'm not loving, and that's a lip gloss, and I might have to just get over my dislike of lip gloss. But everything else I could definitely see myself using. I love brushes. I love the skincare item. The pores oily skin right here, so anything that's going to help with reducing my pores and preventing it from being oily, I'm all for. The hair mask, I definitely, and it's actually pretty good size, pretty good sample size. So overall, I'm really liking my Ipsy bag this month. Last month I was kind of like, I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it. So the bag is cute, everything inside of it. I'm liking all but one thing, and the color is beautiful lip gloss. Like I said, I just gotta get over the lip gloss thing. So let's see if Sephora can beat Ipsy. Here's the little flyer thing. This is too cute. I'm not going to look inside of it, but it does give you, telling you all the products that you're going to get in your bag, and you get 50 points. I have never used my points. I keep saying I'm going to use it. I order online, and I never get a chance to, so they need to fix that. They stopped using cute little bags and got you a plastic one. Again, if anybody has suggestions on how to recycle these or reuse them, I just hate putting them in a recycle bin. I just feel like there's got to be another way of using them. But on to the show. First thing is, what is this? Estee Lauder Double Wear. What shade is this? This is 7W1 Deep Spice. I already have Estee Lauder, but I'm not 71W. So that's kind of on the deep side. I wonder what other color options they had. It's cute though. Really, really cute. And I love foundation, so. But I love getting foundation, and this thing is only halfway full. So you see how that, so it's right there. So that's the only thing I don't like, is that I didn't get enough. But it's still, hey, Estee Lauder, and I do have the double wear, and I normally in 5W or 5W2, the warm caramel. So I'm curious what other, it doesn't tell you what other shades that you could have gotten. But still, it's nice. I like Estee Lauder. Maybe during the summer, that'll be my summer shade. It's a little on the deep side. And let's see. Perfume, Stila. I have a jar that I put all these little ones in, and so I'll be filling up another one. I love getting the perfumes. And that's a bonus. So then I have Caudalie Vino Source, and this is a cream sherbet hydrate moisturizing sherbet. I've tried this before. I liked it. So it's just a moisturizer. Can't knock it. I've tried Caudalie before. I've had this moisturizer before. I think this is the second time I've gotten it. So I'm not going to knock it. And then the next thing in here is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleep Mask. I think this is a Korean brand as well, and I'm loving the fact that they're introducing Korean brands. And this one is in watermelon, so I wonder if it smells like watermelon. I am having trouble talking today. I really love the protective cover that this has. Oh my god, it smells like watermelon. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try this. So it's cute. It's pink, so you know I'm gonna love it. It's super cute. I feel like they're kind of like going with a pink theme. And let's see. Radiant Boosting Sleep Mask that improves uneven skin tone and texture. And generous layer of skin. It says that this is an exclusive. I honestly think that this is a K-Beauty. I think I've heard about this before, and I definitely want to check that brand out. So I have two more things. This is Wander Beauty Bag Claims Gold Eye Mask. I'm not so sure about this. I mean, I have been talking about how bags under my eyes because I haven't been sleeping, so maybe they heard me and I didn't know that they heard me. But this is interesting. I have one set. It brightens and hydrates the skin. This multitasking eye mask does more than just super luxury. Hydrating serum diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a delicate under eye area. Apply clean dry skin, let it sit for. So I'll definitely give this a try. I mean, I've been talking about how I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, got a little bags under my eyes, so definitely we'll give that a try. So maybe, you know, they're trying to like hear my complaints. And then last is Clinique Quick Eyeliner Intense. So, and I was just saying when I did the video for this look that I have tons of eyeliners, but you can never have too many eyeliners. This looks like a full size. I think this is a full size. Ooh, that is black. So definitely looking forward to this. I got a Clinique last month. Not knocking it. Love Clinique. I honestly feel like both boxes are pretty good. I feel like this one was more skincare based because I only had 2 makeup and then I got 3 skincare items, and then the perfume is just a bonus. And the other one, I feel like the other one was a little more well-rounded because it had the lip gloss, had the primer, the hair, the cleanser. I actually think that both boxes were pretty dang good. I'm excited about both boxes. I got 2 makeup items. I just wish that this was either my shade or that they gave you more than half a container. But other than that, I'm pretty impressed. So you guys let me know, which box did you like? Both of them are amazing. I'm happy that I'm pretty pleased with both boxes. So I am just going to leave it at that. Thank you guys again for watching my video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one, and know that you're blessed in love.